Introduction to Krita. Krita is free, open source software primarily used to create digital paintings, photo editing, and 2D animations. It contains various features, a user friendly interface, and tools, making it a top choice among professionals. Krita empowers artists and animators to unleash their creativity, enabling them to produce high quality artwork and animations. Let us learn about some of Krita's features. Features of Krita. Some of the features of Krita are 1. It is free, open source, and cross platform software. 2. It has a user friendly interface that makes it easy to use. 3. It has a vast collection of brushes used to create amazing effects in drawings. 4. It provides a customized interface, allowing users to dock panels and toolbars anywhere according to their preferences. 5. It is used for creating 2D animations. 6. It offers many vector tools for creating illustrations and graphic designs. Downloading and installing Krita. 1. Open the web browser and type https://krita.org and download Krita desktop on the address bar. The following page will open. 2. Download the latest version of Krita for Windows and install the setup to explore the platform. Getting started with Krita. To start Krita, follow the steps given below. There are two ways to open Krita software. 1. Click on the Start menu icon and locate Krita from the list of applications. Or type Krita in the search box, then click on the Krita option. 2. It will launch the Krita application and the following screen will appear. 3. Open a new file by clicking on File Greater New command. This will open the Create New Document dialog box. Enter the width, height, and resolution of the image. Finally, click on the Create button. The black canvas will open. Components of Krita window. Before starting to work with Krita, let us explore the different components of these windows which are used to facilitate digital painting and drawing. 1. Menu bar. It is located at the top of the window and contains various menus such as File, Edit, View, Image, Layer, Select, Filter, Settings, and help to perform different functions. 2. Options bar. It is located below the menu bar and displays the options related to the currently selected tool. Canvas area. The black and white rectangular area is known as the canvas area. It is the workspace that displays the image file on which work is being done and enables users to create artwork. 4. Toolbox. The toolbox contains various tools used for painting, drawing, selection, transportation, and more. 5. Panels. The panels on the right side of the window contain a library of brush presets that users can use. It can be grouped, stacked, and docked for the user's specific needs. Status bar. It is located at the bottom of the window and displays various information and indicators related to current operations as shown in chapter 2. You have learnt about the basic components of the Krita window. Now let us explore some of its essential tools. Selection tools. The selection tool is used to select an image or the part of it to edit, copy, and move. Krita offers numerous selection tools including rectangular, elliptical, freehand, polygonal selection tools, and many more. Let us learn about them one by one. Rectangular selection tool. The rectangle selection tool selects rectangular regions of the image. It enables users to perform various tasks such as selecting, moving, or editing specific image areas. To use the rectangular selection tool, follow the steps given below. 1. Open the image in Krita and select the rectangular selection tool from the toolbox. 2. Position the cursor over the image. Then click and hold the left mouse button. 3. Drag the cursor to select the desired part of the image. A dashed border will be appeared around the selected region. 4. After making the selection, click and drag inside the selected area to confirm it to the location on the canvas. Elliptical selection tool. The elliptical selection tool selects an elliptical region of the image. To use the elliptical selection tool, follow the steps given below. 1. Select the elliptical selection tool from the toolbox. 2. Drag the cursor to select the desired part of the image. A circular dash border will appear around the selected region. Freehand selection tool. The freehand selection tool selects regions of the image by drawing freehand shapes. This tool is particularly useful for selecting irregularly shaped areas within an image. To use the freehand selection tool, follow the steps given below. 1. Select the freehand selection tool from the toolbox. 2. Drag the cursor to select the desired part of the image. A freehand border will appear around the selected region. Contiguous selection tool. The icon of the magic wand represents the contiguous selection tool. It is used to select the region based on the color similarity of adjacent pixels by adjusting the tool's tolerance level. This tool is used to apply specific editing effects to the selected part of the image. To use the contiguous selection tool, follow the steps given below. 1. Select the contiguous selection tool from the toolbox. 2. Adjust the tolerance level using the tool options toggle. 3. Position the cursor over the image and click on a pixel within the desired area. The tool will select the adjacent pixels of the image with similar color intensity with the specified tolerance range. Similar color selection tool. The similar color selection tool is utilized to select objects within an image that share similar colors. With this tool, any alterations made to one object will produce similar effects of the other objects sharing similar colors. To use the similar color selection tool, follow the steps given below. 1. Select the similar color selection tool from the toolbox. 2. Click on any color in the image to select all objects with a similar color. Changes made to one object will be reflected in all other objects with the same color. Freehand brush tool. The freehand brush tool, represented by an icon resembling a planed brush, allows users to draw freehand images. It enables adjustment to brush settings such as size, opacity, and more. Users can also access various brush presets for blending and smoothing brush strokes. To use freehand brush tool, follow the steps given below. Select the freehand brush tool from the toolbox. Customize the brush settings by adjusting parameters such as brush size, opacity, flow, and brush tip shape using the brush preset and docker. Drag the mouse pointer on the canvas to create the drawing. Crop tool. The crop tool is used to remove the unwanted part of the image by cropping or trimming it to a desired size or aspect ratio. It allows users to select a specific area of the image. To use the crop tool, follow the steps given below. 1. Select the crop tool from the toolbox. 2. Drag it over the image to outline the desired area for cropping. 3. Upon completing the selection, double click inside the outline area. Only the selected portion of the image will remain after copying. Gradient tool. The gradient tool fills selected areas with smooth transitions between different colors or patterns. It can be followed the steps to use gradient. 1. Select the rectangle tool from the toolbox and drag it on the canvas to create a rectangle. 2. Click on the contiguous selection tool and click on the image to select it. 3. Choose the gradient tool from the options bar and select the desired gradient. 4. Click the gradient tool in the toolbox and drag it over the selected area. The gradient will be applied to the selected area. Creating shapes. Krita provides a various shape tools for creating different graphics, including rectangles, ellipses, polygons, and lines. You can access the shape tools from the toolbox, such as the line, rectangle, and polygon tools, to insert shapes onto the canvas. Follow the steps below to add shapes to the canvas. 1. Select the line tool from the toolbox. 2. Choose the desired foreground color from the toolbar. 3. Adjust opacity and size settings from the Docker section. 4. Position the pointer on the canvas and drag it to draw the line. Repeat the above steps using different shape tools from the toolbox to draw various shapes as needed. Saving your artwork. 1. Click on the File menu and select Save As. 2. Choose a file format such as PNG or JPEG from the drop-down menu. 3. Select the location on your computer where you want to save the file by navigating through the directories. 4. Click the Save button and confirm and save your artwork.